Addition, adding with two digits expansion method. What is it? Combining two or more numbers or finding the sum. Why? Helpful in buying items in a grocery store. Interesting fact, moths make up a large portion of the Yellowstone bear's diets. Both grizzly bears and black bears can eat up to 20,000 calories worth of moss a day. So let's take a look. There are going to be 4 examples. Each one is a little bit different than the last. So hopefully each cases that you think might happen, I will go over. Follow these steps and you'll be golden. Step 1, expand the numbers. Step 2, add each place value. Step 3, carry when necessary. Step 4, combine the numbers. So let's talk about this first example. We have to do step 1, expand. 54 into 50 and 4 and 5 we do not have to expand. First step, add the units place value, which is 4 and 5, which gives me 9. So I drop the 9. Now I'm going to go ahead and drop the 50 as well because there's nothing else to add. So we put it below the line. Now we go to step 4, combine the numbers, move it over, and we get 59 as your answer. Now we have this example 2, which is slightly different. So let's go ahead and do step 1, expand the numbers. So we get 70 and 4 and 9. So now we add the units place value, which is 4 and 9, which gives me 13. We're going to rearrange it so it's 10 plus 3, which is 13. We're going to carry the 10 and drop the 3. Now we're going to add the 10's place value, which is 10 and 70, which gives me 80. So I drop the 80 or move the 80 below the line. And now we add combine the numbers, which is 83, move it over, and your final answer is 83. Let's look at example 3. This time we have 2 digits plus 2 digits. So we're going to do still do step 1, expand 60 and 7 and 20 and 5. Now we still add each place value, which is 7 and 5, which gives me 12. So I rearrange it so I can carry the 10 and drop the 2, and then now we add the 10's place value, which is 10 plus 60 plus 20, which is 90. Put the 90 below the line. Combine the numbers, move it over, and your final answer is 92. Let's take a look at the last case where we still follow it. It's a little bit different. You'll see why in a second. Now we expand the numbers. We expand 76 and 57 into 70 and 6 and 50 and 7. So we add the units place value, which is 6 and 7, which gives me 13. Rearrange it so you can easily see that we have to carry the 10 and put the 3 below the line. Now we have to add the 10's place value, which is 10 plus 70 plus 50, which gives me 130. So all we're going to do is drop the 130 below the line. Now we have to combine the numbers, which gives me 133. Move it over, and my final answer is 133. Now it is your turn. Here are 5 examples for you to try. I will show you the answers in 3 seconds, so go ahead and pause the video. 3, 2, and 1. Here are your answers. If you got them correct, well done. If you didn't, there is always tomorrow.